At this point, you should be familiar with the basic layout of the Wix application, which means we can begin the process of designing the site. When designing a website, the first element that needs to be configured is the header, and this activity is designed to familiarize users with the steps required to complete this task. It's important the header design is done correctly because it's not only the first item visitors see when they visit a page, it also appears on every page of the site. A basic header is comprised of 3 elements: logo, title, and navigation bar, with modern headers adding social media links and login buttons if they're deemed necessary. We're going to start by removing the template logo that already exists. Anytime an object is selected, 2 things happen. 1. A contextual menu appears underneath that object. 2. Any tools that are available to manipulate that object become available in the toolbar. The logo displayed on screen is comprised of 2 different objects: a text object and a graphic object. Clicking on the logo will select the object that is arranged on top, which in this case is the text that displays ST. I'm going to click the delete tool to remove the text. The text portion of the logo has been removed, but the rest of the logo still needs to be deleted. I'm going to repeat the process with the circular graphic. We've removed the logo, and we need to replace it with our own. By our own, I mean RTR Digital's logo, and we'll need to click the Add Content button to display the menu options. A list of available page editions is being displayed on screen, with image located second from the top, and clicking it will display the available image repositories. Selecting the image option displayed the available image repositories on screen. Repositories are just a web developer's way of referencing places where data is stored, and in this case, we're specifically referencing images. Wix also offers their own collections of images that can be utilized as a part of our website, and they have divided those collections into various categories that appear below the My Upload section. There's a more in-depth explanation of these collections in the Working with Images section of this course, but our focus is on finishing the header, and we'll be uploading our own image from the desktop to complete that task. Clicking the My Image Upload section will display the Choose Images dialog box. The Choose Images dialog box has appeared on screen. We'll cover more of the options that are available in this menu in the aforementioned Working with Images course, but for now, we're going to push past the screen by clicking the orange Upload Image button to display the File Picker dialog box. There's only one image in this folder, and it happens to be the one we need to upload. I'm going to select the file, and then click the Open button to continue. Wix confirms the file has been successfully uploaded, and clicking the Done button will return us to the Choose Images dialog box. Wix has uploaded the image into the My Images repository, which means it will be available at any time, and it will not have to be uploaded every time it's needed. The check mark over the image indicates it is currently selected, and clicking the Add Image button will add it to the page. The image has been added to the page, but it's much larger than it needs to be, and it's located in the wrong position. I'm going to reposition the image by clicking and dragging it, then resize it by using the handles on the bounding box. I've repositioned the logo in the correct area, but it overlaps the title page. Before we conclude this activity, I'm going to move the site title away from the logo. This concludes the tutorial on adding a company logo, and I encourage you to add any comments, questions, or feedback about this activity in the forum. Stay tuned for information on additional resources.